Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to add transition in Invideo. Go to Invideo official website and log into your account or create an account if you don't have an account yet. Now when you're in the website, click the blank canvas to create a new project or simply click the Create button at the top. Now select the template that you want to use. When you're in the Video Editor tab, you can now upload the video clips that you want to use. You can either drag the file or browse it on your computer. Now, after uploading the video clips that you want to use, drag it, then put it on your canvas below. It will bring you to the trim menu, which you can either trim the video or use the entire clip as it is. Next, add a new blank scene each time you want to add additional clip on your timeline. Now, after adding a scene, drag the second clip to the new scene, then trim the clip if you want. Once you're done adding your clips, then click the button between the two scenes to open the Transitions menu. In here, you will find different transitions. If you want to see the preview of that transition, simply hover the cursor on top of it. Now select the transition that you want, then click on it to add it on the scene. And that's it. To unlock more transitions, you can choose to upgrade your account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.